This training session in the area of shipping will deal with the management of your trucking companies. So the first step is to go to your sales directory. From the sales directory, I've purposely blanked out the orders list. Go to the very bottom where it says trucking. Click the trucking list, and trucking companies are managed right here in this button that says trucking companies. This is a reference list of companies that you will use for shipping, and you can add, delete. You can make these a list of primary carriers, or this can be unchecked and they can be considered secondary carriers that you only use occasionally. The primary list are the ones that come up in your list all the time when you're processing bills of lading. So in order to manage or enter a new company, you just put new carrier, click the button at the top, and it opens the pop-up box that would allow you to start entering the new information. I'm going to close this and edit an existing one by double-clicking anywhere on the line. So Atlas Trucking Company, I can enter the name and address information, my contact, and so on. Any service notes, the kind of equipment they have. Do they have flats, reefers? Do they have vans? Where's their website? Here's my little personal rating about have they always shown up with the correct equipment, do they show up on time, and so on. This helps me to decide whether I want to continue working with them in the future. I can also track information or store information about this company under their insurance certificate numbers, should I need that information, whether or not they're a broker, what their bond is, and their load history will be automatically populated with any loads that are assigned to this company. So from the directory, this is basically it. If I want to skim down and take a quick look, I can see a great deal of the information. I can see here what equipment they have, what their phone number is. If I want to report a list of these things, the report selects whatever trucking companies are selected here, and then the reports, like all other reports, are in the lower right-hand corner. There's only one list of companies down there, and if I click the little printer to the right of the list, it reminds me to set my printer to landscape mode, and then my trucking companies come up. As a hint, I have two buttons at the bottom. One that says Select All. Notice that everything is selected. Or I can unselect all and clear the entire list. So as an example, if I wanted to find all of my companies in California, for example, I could simply click on California, click the Include button, then select All, and run my report, and have a list of all my trucking companies in California. At this point, this concludes the training on how to enter and manage your trucking company reference list. We'll have additional short trainings in how to assign mixed loads and how to run bills of lading for individual loads. Look in the same area for those videos.